I love AI. It's a transformative tool that's changing everything about the way we live. But there's one thing to keep in mind. It's a tool. It's there to help us accomplish our goals, not accomplish our goals for us. That's why I created this gig. You see, if you have a task, let's say writing a cover letter, AI can organize your thoughts, organize the facts of your qualifications for a particular job, and present them very nicely. However, there might be 1,000 other people who have the same qualifications. What makes you different? That's what this gig is for. I want to reflect your personality, first of all. Why are you the right fit for this job? The letter should also reflect the company or the person you're applying to. What makes you the perfect fit for them? That's what I can do, that AI simply can't do yet.